Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's a really exciting one. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's just get right into it. So if you walk into my room in the morning, the first thing that you will obviously see is me sleeping in my bed. I usually sleep with a silk pillow cover just because I've heard that those are less harmful for your hair to sleep on every single day, and it also prevents tangled hair in the morning, which is awesome. Here I am opening my eyes and waking up. I have such a hard time waking up, you guys. Like, give this video a thumbs up if you literally contemplate whether if you should get over it and just stand up, or if you should just stay and sleep a little bit longer. Okay guys, you got me. When I wake up, my first guilty pleasure is to reach for my phone. With it, I check my message notifications, my iMessage one, my WhatsApp notifications. I also check my YouTube ones. I go on Instagram and stalk you guys and every celebrity and all my followers. Yeah. If it's one of those days, I go on the CW app to see if my favorite shows are already out. Some of my favorite shows are Riverdale, The Flash, and obviously Legacies. The pajamas that I'm wearing today are the ones I showed you guys in my Black Friday haul. They are from Old Navy and they're literally the most Christmassy pajamas I've ever seen. Then I walk to my bathroom, brush my teeth, do all the normal things everyone should do, and it's like wash my face, do my skincare routine, which by the way I'm posting a video about it really soon, so stay tuned for that. It's like a winter skincare routine, so yeah, I'll let you know when I post it. Is it even a winter routine if you don't have a winter candy apple hand soap? No, it isn't. So after I'm done with all of that, I obviously take my clothes off and hop in the shower. So as you can see, I'm obviously taking a shower, and yeah, I got something in my eye, but I have a dance party and sing all the songs inside the shower to like all my Christmas songs, and you can't lie because I know you do this too, so don't judge me. After I take a shower, I face one of the hardest decisions of every single day, which is choosing an outfit. After I choose my outfit, I go into my living room and turn all the Christmas decorations up. I light up my candles and just like enjoy the holiday spirit. So next I go and do breakfast, which I usually just like do 2 eggs and 2 toast and drink it with my favorite juice of all, which is orange juice. The next thing that I do is actually get ready for the day and get all pretty and do my makeup. Let me know if you guys want to see like my go-to winter makeup look for like the holiday season, because I will definitely make that for you guys. So now I'm just feeling myself, taking pictures, looking at myself in the camera viewfinder because I think I look really pretty, so I'll enjoy that. So here's the final look, you guys. I'm wearing this cute Christmas sweater I got from Marshall's with some light colored jeans from American Eagle, and and my Steve Madden sandals my mom got for me at Macy's. Thank you, Mom. Then I go ahead and turn on my little baby, which is my laptop, and I just sit down, catch up on emails, watch YouTube videos, drink my water because I don't like coffee nor tea. Don't hate me, but I try, but my body just doesn't want it. So that is it for my Christmas/holiday morning routine. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos this December and every month. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all and I'll see you next time. Bye!